Hey guys, Joe from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Samba KITH CLARKS. Before we get to this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, it helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We'll try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way, and I just want to take this time, an opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. And today we have a review of the ADIDAS CLARKS and Ronnie Fieg collaboration. So this is essentially a three-way collab between CLARKS, ADIDAS and Ronnie Fieg's KITH, and we got the Samba KITH CLARKS. So before I get unboxing, actually I just want to do a big shout out to my brother Don. If you're watching this, thank you. This pair is not mine, I wish it was. Because guys, this is my running for sneaker of the year, and you can hold me to that. Now I must have said, I think I said the New Balance was 990 V6 is sneaker of the year, but I think this takes it for me. That's my personal thing for 2023. That's my personal pick for sneaker of the year. Hopefully later on, we'd say around December, we'll do a sneaker of the year video. So do let us know in the comment section below if you want to see that. If you want to see a sneaker of the year video, let us know in the comment section below. So today we've got a look at the Samba KITH CLARKS. We've got this cool white, cool green colorway in the UK size 7.5, and it's a US 8, and it's a European 41 and a third. And just before I get unboxing, let's show the box details. It looks great. So you have this, what I think is a Bavarian mountain town as a painting, as a picture right there, because obviously, if those that don't know, ADIDAS is a German company, and it just looks like a little townhouse, really nice. And it's all around, and then you can see the imprint, you can see the CLARKS Fieg, and you've got the ADIDAS logo there, and then you've got the Ronnie Fieg CLARKS, and that looks like the CLARKS logo, but this is the CLARKS and Ronnie Fieg 8th Street collaboration. So that's a collaboration between Ronnie Fieg, KITH, and CLARKS, and they've done their own CLARKS. They've done, like, I think it's Maycliffe and Lockhill. They're their own separate things, but this is a special collab with ADIDAS, and it's on one of the most iconic silhouettes. I mean, you're probably growing sick and tired of seeing some Sambas, but today is not the case. Trust me guys, this is the one. I'm telling you, my pick of sneaker of the year is gorgeous. It's got all the great elements of CLARKS and ADIDAS, and it's just beautiful, isn't it? You've got to just admire the craftsmanship that went into this sneaker. It's right here as well. So you could come with another pair of laces, you get some pair of white laces as well. Yeah. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Look at the crepe sole. So we'll start with the crepe sole. So starting with the outsole, and essentially is the sole unit. It incorporates what CLARKS is well known for. It's their crepe soles. Again, if you don't know, CLARKS is a British brand. We've done tons of reviews. We've done the Wallabies, and that's one of the most iconic shoes. And they are famous for using a crepe sole unit, and it is really comfortable, and it's just iconic. When you think of shoes and you think of crepe sole, you think of CLARKS originals. And you got this as the midsole and the outsole. Right here is the sole unit of this sneaker, and the way that just goes seamlessly with the ADIDAS upper. And if you look at the midsole again, it's still part of the crepe sole. One thing I do want to mention to you guys is that if you are looking to buy a pair of CLARKS, or if you are able to get these Sambas, that crepe soles get dirty way too easy, so they're going to be well dirty. I mean, that just shows that you could make good use of your shoes. And we're moving on to the upper. So this upper is essentially the Samba body, and we've done an ADIDAS Samba review, so do check that out. We've done the original OG white and black colorways, but this time we've got like the special suede upper, because they're usually made out of like, normal leathers. But right here, we've got a suede upper making the main body, and it's in this off-white chalk colorway. You got at the toe box some greys suede right there for you. the strips of the Adidas 3 stripes right there. That's all leather strips. And then it's really cool because you got the running flag and like tags from CLARKS. You usually see these tags, like hang tags, swing tags from CLARKS on a lot of their originals, like the Wallabies, Desert Boot, and like their desert shoes. So you'll see a lot of these similar swing tags. And you've got the 8th Street logo and the running flag Adidas CLARKS one over there. So it's 2 different ones. So the one with the logo is leather, and the one with the Adidas logo and the CLARKS flag is in suede. Again, you got a flat tongue, you got flat laces, you got this suede tongue, and you can see there's a leather patch right there that says the Adidas logo and flag. And if you look at the medial side, again, it's just like the lateral side where it's just got the normal 3 stripes and then green. Forgot to mention that on the lateral side, you've got a Samba embossed right there, where the Samba would be. You've got at the heel, suede leather paneling, ankle support on the interior, that's made out of leather. And then you've got 2 types of materials used on the insole. You have a leather patch that's on the heel, and then you've got your synthetics on the inside. So that rounds off my review. I just want to do another big shout out to my brother Tom. If you're watching this, thank you again for letting us review these bad boys. I'm going to try them on, so I'm sorry for that, but it's a good thing that we're both the same size. What I do want to mention is that these were pre-orders, so my brother was able to get a pre-order a long time ago when they was announced the pre-order. So he only got this recently in October. So if you're watching this, time of recording this video we're in the middle of October. And when it first got announced, that's when the pre-orders were open. I think it was around February, waited around 6 months, I think. And we were able to get a pair for you guys to marvel at. This, again, I'm going to say it again, this is my pick for sneaker of the year. You can look at your complex lists where they'll probably say a Jordan, like the SP, but this, in terms of craftsmanship, in terms of what's hot in the minute. So for me, I'm not going to deny it. Well, who am I to deny the relevance of an ADIDAS Samba? Because if you look everywhere, everyone's wearing a pair. But I can personally see that loads of people have just gone into like the CLARKS Wallaby. They've just gotten into wearing CLARKS. So for me, this is a collaboration ripe with all the right things. And yeah, I'm really excited to try these on for you. Roll that footage of me trying these KITH Samba CLARKS on for you. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get a half size down to what you usually wear for Adidas. Typically, I'm a UK size 8, but these 7.5s fit perfectly. I think it's because it has a bit more of a wider shape than the normal Samba. My toes are where they need to be. These are really comfortable on as well, guys. It's that crepe sole that helps. Obviously, we've done tons of Wallaby reviews, so check those out if you get a second. But yeah, I'm just really excited to try these on. These aren't mine again. but these are shoe of the year for me. Again, if you want to see a sneaker of the year of 2023, countdown, whatever, let us know in the comment section below. We won't know until you guys let us know. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.